right, today we're drawing a puppy ghost. You need a blank sheet of white paper and a black marker. All right, so here we're gonna start with the eyes. Do a big oval, another big oval right here. And then we're gonna do the nose, which is almost like a little triangle like this. Little circles here. And let's color them in a little bit and leave a little white dot. Color in your nose. Now the mouth. And then I like to do for his tongue, like a U coming out like that. Maybe a line in the middle, a line underneath. Do a little line right here. And come up like this for his ears. And same thing on this side. But now we're gonna turn him into a ghost. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring down a line right here, another line like this, and let's give him ghost wings. Maybe some whiskers. And a tail.